Put this right here. Welcome to the Cyber Compass. This is another quick hit. Quick hit number 3. Previously, on quick hit number 2, I talked about initiative. Now, I'm going to continue to talk about initiative. More specifically, I gave instructions on signing up for email updates on CISA.gov. Well, if you'll notice here, I got my screen up. If you go to the CISA.gov website, again, which stands for Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, you'll notice that you can click on Resource and Tools, go to Training, and you have so many options on training. Now, not only do you have options on training for different events and things that come up in our lives, such as active shooter preparedness webinar training. Yes, I know it's unfortunate, but you know, these things are necessary. But most importantly for you to pursue your cybersecurity career or to continue it, you can upskill by searching and clicking on training. Now, they've got virtual online training that is upcoming. If you get a chance, register as soon as possible. And also register as not an observer, but as a participant. What is that going to do for you? Well, when the webinar is going on, you're going to be given lab instructions. You're going to be able to participate in labs. And this is really going to upskill your experience when it comes to cybersecurity. So that's it. And I hope this helps.